Okay, we're about to discuss or actually deal with one-way streets. Now, one-way streets can be dangerous if you don't know how to enter and exit. The most important part about it is that you have to know it's a one-way street, and you can only know by looking ahead and seeing the arrow. That's how you know that it is a one-way. Now, we're making a left turn 2 streets down. There it is. Slow it down. Slow it down. You have to get it down to 25 to make the turn. And see the arrow? It's a one-way street. So because you're making a left, you turn in on the extreme left. Now speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up. Come on, get it up there. Then you have to move to the right. Signal right, mirror, blind spot, move over to the right. Now let's pull over and let's have a little chat. Signal to the right and stop the car. Stop the car.
I don't want to stop it.
No, you're not going to stop it suddenly, but you have to use the brake better than that. Okay, cancel your signal. Apply the parking brake. Place the gear selector to park. Now, we just entered onto a one-way street. And remember, you have to see that arrow. That's the only way you're going to know it's a one-way street. So you see the arrow, you know you're making a left, so you slow it down to 20, 25 to 30. Make that left onto the one-way street on the extreme left side. If you drove directly into the right side or in the middle, that would be a fail. And of course it's incorrectly done, because if you're making a left and you end up in the middle and someone making a right turn, both of you could collide and it would be your fault. So anyway, you make a left onto the one-way street, you end up on the extreme left, build your speed up, signal, then check your rear view mirror, then your right blind spot, and then you move over to the right if it's safe to do so, then cancel the signal. Now let's say you made that left turn onto the one-way street, but you know in advance that you're going to make another left turn. Then you do not move to the right, you stay on the extreme left. See, like that car?
Right.
That's where you have to be making a left exit from the one-way. If you're in the middle, that's incorrect, and of course on a test you would fail. Now remember, a right is a right is a right is a right. So you're making a right turn onto a one-way street, you treat it just like any other right turn. And if you're making a right exit from the one-way street, whether it's onto a street or at a stop sign or at a set of lights, it's the same thing. You exit from the right. But if you're making a left exit, you must move over to the extreme left. Now, let's say you were on a driving test and it so happened that the examiner took you onto a one-way street making a left. You have to know that you enter on the extreme left, build a speed up, and you must move over to the right. You do not ask the examiner if you should go to the right. You don't ask any questions. You automatically move to the right, get your signal off, then the examiner will tell you if he wants you to make a right or a left. Obviously, if he says right, you signal right, check your mirror and your blind spot, and you stay close to the right in order to make that right turn. If he said left at the stop sign or left at the lights or left next street, you signal to the left, check your rear view mirror, your left outside mirror, and your left blind spot. If it's safe, move over to the extreme left. Okay? Now, we're going to drive off and we are going to make a right turn at the stop sign. Then we're going to go around and make a right onto the one-way street. Then we're going to exit left from the one-way street. Then make a left onto the one-way street and come around. Now don't feel badly if you mess it up, because most students, when it comes to one-way streets, they do it over and over and they can't get it right. So don't feel any way if you mess it up. I'm just warning you, because you might get frustrated when you start messing it up. So we'll see how you do. Okay, right foot on the brake. Get rid of the parking brake. Place the gear selector to drive. You're leaving in a straight line, so signal left. Mirror, outside mirror, blind spot, then drive off in a straight line. Then cancel the signal. Good. Now we're making a right turn at the stop sign. And what do we have here? We don't have a white line, but we have a sidewalk or crosswalk. So you stop just behind it. Keep going right up to it, as long as you're not blocking it. And stop. Then you check both sides to the left and right. Is it good?
Yes.
Okay, so make your turn. Hand over hand steering. Now recover. You're still having problems with your steering, eh? Notice the sign. It says 50 begins. Okay.
Oh, it says 40.
Oh yeah, I'm blind now. 40 begins, yes. See, you're better than me. At least you're seeing it. Oh, I can't read. I forgot. Oh my goodness. I'm teaching it to drive and I can't read. I'm calling, what is it, 40 and I'm saying it's 50. Okay. Alright, next street. Right turn. And it's 40. Now you're getting the speed down to 20 to make this right turn. Slow it down. Hand over hand steering. Wait until you straighten the wheel before you accelerate. Now speed up. See, you did that at 20. That was good. But watch how you accelerate. You don't want to suddenly accelerate like that. Now ahead, there's a stop sign and we're making a right turn at that stop sign. Now notice that yellow sign ahead. It's telling you can only go right or left. That's a checkerboard. Now we don't have a white line or sidewalk, so you stop at the edge of the road with your wheels turned. Hug the curb. Keep moving right out to the edge of the road. Don't turn too much though, or else you'll hit the curb. Stop. Then you check. Is it safe?
Yes.
Go ahead, but watch how you turn the wheel, because you end up hitting the curb. Now straighten it up. Then speed up. Okay, get up to 60. That is the speed along here. Okay, at the next street down, it's a right turn. Now what kind of street is that? One-way street. You see the arrow? Okay. So bear in mind that you're turning onto a one-way. Don't stop. You have the right of way. Slow it down to 20. And you turn in on the right, just like any other right turn. Then speed up. Notice how that car, he turned in on the right. That's illegal. So you see, he could smash into you. But at least he waited because you have the right of way. Okay, so you're on a one-way street. Now we're making a left turn at the stop sign. Signal left, check the mirror and the shoulder. Move over to the extreme left. And what do we have here? No white line, but we have a sidewalk. So don't block the sidewalk. Complete stop. Can you see both sides clearly? No. So inch up slowly. Safe to the left, safe to the right, go. And you're going on to a two-way street, so you end up on the right side of the street. Now straighten the wheel out and take it easy, take it easy. Left, next street, and that's a one-way. Slow it down, extreme left. So you see, if you went in the middle or on the right, it's no good. Speed up, not like that. That's erratic behavior. You have to do it smoothly. So we made a left onto the one-way. And now I'm saying left ahead at the stop sign, so you do not move to the right. Because if you went to the right, then you'd have to come back in another 10 seconds. That does not make any sense, right? So you stay on the extreme left because you know you're making a left turn. Okay, where's your left signal? Now we don't have a white line or sidewalk here, so you go right out to the edge of the roadway. Don't check for traffic until you stop the car. You stop first and then you check. Is it safe? Yes, it is. Go quickly. And we end up on the right side of the two-way. Okay, let's do it one last time. Left into the next street and it's a one-way. Extreme left, extreme left. See, that's no good. Yeah, speed it up. Speed up. And nothing was said, so you must move to the right. And don't touch that signal until you're in position. Now turn the signal off. Okay. Alright, we're gonna do it one last time. Left turn at the stop sign. Bear in mind you're in a one-way street. Don't touch the brake. Just signal, check, and get over. There's no one in front of you, so there's no need for you to use the brake until you need it. Like right now. And don't block the crosswalk. There. Now inch up immediately. Don't touch the gas pedal. Let the car... Yes, let the idle speed propel the car. Is it safe? Yes, so you don't stop again. Okay, one last time. Left, next street. Slow it down, turn in on the extreme left, extreme left. Left at the stop sign ahead. So you stay here because you're told. If nothing was said, then you move to the right. Okay? And that's it for one-way streets.